All right, let's get the stream starting. Let's put the Monster K. Okay, maybe I should advanced audio properties monitor only. Okay, I'm wondering if I should try the new noise reducer. The NVIDIA noise removal. Hello? Hello. This one's a little more muffled, I feel like. Filters. Feels a little more muffled. What if I reduce the noise thing? Hello? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Echo removal. What's echo? Huh. I don't know. Maybe it takes a second to get going good. Kind of hear some stuff. Filters. Let me see. Suppression intensity 1. Let's do 1. See what happens. See what happens. Let's see. Okay. I guess we can start the waifu thing. I wonder if the bot's still on. The question is, how do I uninstall OneDrive? Windows 11. This is on. Nice. Turn off, disable, or uninstall OneDrive. Okay. And then space music. Kind of on library. Releases. Playlist. Explore. New music. Moods. Selection of Monster Cat. Modern moves. Okay. Might change something else. Okay. Can't loud, damn. Okay, there we go. A little bit lower. Drive help. Okay, on link. How do I uninstall? Uninstall. Oh, here we go. Uninstall. All right. I should play an ad while I set things up. Alright, doing this. Bang. Okay. I'll do my Power Toys profile. Required for using an OpenOS library. Okay. What's going on over here? There we go. I'm gonna go get some water real quick. I'll be right back. Right? Okay, cool. Welcome to the stream. Let's get into Unity development. Is it open already? Yay, okay, cool. Okay. Music's kind of loud. Turn that off. Okay. Monster Cat. Huh. Let me just reset the volume. Okay, let me set it on the plugin. Volume master. Let's do something like this. Okay, cool. Coven. Right. Let me post in my Discord that I'm streaming. I need a bot that can do that automatically. Damn, son. Is there a bot that actually can do that? Now that I think about it, Twitch bot that Discord bot that announces Twitch stream cord. Oh, add to Discord? No way. I'm gonna log in. Okay, hold up. Log in with QR code. Do that. Let me see. Oh, wait. Here we go. We gotta scan this. Here we go. Log in. You're in. And then add bot to server. No light server 0 and create commands. Micro boost and local bridge. Okay, let me find. Primal shift. I think that's the one. Lord server. How many people are in this here? Oh shit, that's a lot. Okay. Authorize. Wait, am I human? Yeah, sure. The stream card, Jenna. Legal stuff. Okay. Make a stream announcement. Then I'll say now at twitch.tv. This earlier. What the heck? I already did this. I think I can cancel. Let's close that. Your dashboard. I got a dash. Choose a server to manage from the list below. Don't see your server. Okay. This one. Add a streamer. No, add a streamer notification. Okay. If you guys don't know what I'm doing, I'm looking at this stuff. Add notification. Enter a streamer's exact Twitch name. Primal shift. Post to stream announcements. Insert role mention. We'll do everyone. And really game dev. Add notification. Okay. And big titles. Description. State all. Isn't there a way to update individual titles? Let me see. Edit settings. Yeah. Okay, let me delete that. Deleting that. Then save. Edit settings. Looks good. Okay, cool. Nice. No noise. I was gonna upload a video to TikTok actually. Let me do that. Let me see if I can find a video. I'm talking about where would it be? OBS recording? No, DaVinci, possibly. Dude. I thought it'd be here. For render texture. I gotta do view extra large icon. NVIDIA. Let me delete this. VRM. Resume. My resume. I gotta move this. I'll put this. Secondary drive. Sure. Let me delete all this. Delete. Delete. And delete. And I guess I can delete this too. I should put this in secondary drive. So I'll put that in secondary drive. Oh, I already has a file named that. Okay, never mind. I'm deleting. And I can also delete this. Okay, cool. We're cleaning things up. But where is the video I made? Source files. Databases. Just put this in there. Protobuf example, Protobuf YouTube video. Yeah. Okay. Affinity design project. Where did I save my freaking? DaVinci. Gallery. Do I have to create it? Okay. I guess I can just open it up again and then export it again. Damn, dude, what happened to my haircut? Oh, brother. Mushroom tip haircut. Oh, man. It's rough, it's rough. Color, taskbar, background. Huh. How do I get rid of? Oh, here we go. Welcome to Edge? No, don't. Yo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Where was I? Skip. Okay. I think I can just export. How do I export a section? Let me see. Export section of video DaVinci Resolve. How to export part of a timeline? Okay. Real quick.
Alright, to get started, I finished editing my timeline and I only want to export my outro at the end. To export part of your timeline, start by going down to the Deliver tab. Alright, let's assume all your basic export settings are fine, and go over to your timeline where you'll see this render dropdown. Change that to in-out range. Now, near the top of your timeline, you'll see this gray bar with circular handles on both sides. Simply drag this first handle to the start of the part you want to export. This will set an endpoint. Then drag the second handle to the end of the part you want to export. But I'll just put mine back at the end since I want my whole outro. And that's really it. Now you can just export it as usual by clicking the Add to Render Queue button and then select Render All. Then I can right click my rendered video and select Go to File Location to find it. And when I play this back, I can see that it only exported my outro like I wanted it to. So that's it for this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching and see you guys next time.
What do you do? Hide recycle bin, Windows 11. Related settings. Oh, it's in themes? Oh my gosh, dude. Fucking hate this. Windows 10. Oh crap. Okay. I gotta chill. But it makes no sense that to get rid of the recycle bin, I have to go into the personalization in the themes subsection and then in the related subsection for themes. Like, what the hell? Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, we're good. Got rid of that. Microsoft garbage they're trying to put on my computer. I gotta see how this works.
And go over to your timeline where you'll see this render drop down. Change that to in-out range.
In-out range.
Near the top of your timeline, you'll see this gray bar with circular handles on both sides. Simply drag this first handle to the start of the part you want to export.
Okay, that's easy enough. Go to deliver. I could just do this. Can I play it?
Protocol buffers, or protobus for short, are a data serialization format. That means they define the structure that data is sent across the network. What this means is when a server talks to another server, the shape of that data will be in the form of a protobuf. In practice, what this usually means is that there is a client-server relationship where a client sends a request to a server and the server sends a response back, and that request and response will be in the format of a protobuf. Now, JSON is also a very popular data serialization format, but JSON has its advantages.
Okay, let me go to here.
Type along with the field. We have string, int, boolean, and a repeated field to define lists or arrays. Notice that these are also ordered, so that allows the client and the server to serialize and deserialize the binary data because they do not have the tags like the JSON objects do. Now, protobufs are language agnostic, but you do need a way to serialize and deserialize.
I gotta zoom in. Let me see. There we go. Plus sign. So like right there.
Now, protobufs are language agnostic.
It's hard to tell. Let me see.
Like the JSON objects do. Now, protobufs are language
A
agnostic
little bit too short. Okay.
tags like the JSON objects do. Now, protobufs are language agnostic.
That's good. Okay. Now export TikTok protobufs. Let's just export that so we could add another, toss out another video into TikTok. This is DaVinci Resolve, by the way. It's a pretty awesome video editing software, and it's free. This is the main reason I use this, because it's free. Gotta love it. So let me just make sure the settings here are correct. Yeah, sounds good. 4K resolution, yeah, why not? Why not? Add to render queue. Completed. Let's do one render one. See how long this is gonna take. I wonder how long this video is. Like a minute? Still kind of long.
Walk in the rave like checklist. Got one more for the set list. Walk in the spot and I drop one track. Know who the best is.
Almost there. We're waiting for it to render. 94, 95. Okay, so let's pull up TikTok. Here's the waifu. TikTok. Hey Billions, how's it going?
I want a boyfriend, but I look like this.
What is this garbage? Dude, TikTok is feeding me bullshit again. What is going on? Okay, let me upload. How do we get to? Is it possible for TikTok to stop feeding me bullshit, Billion? Ain't possible. Ain't no way. We got this one. Let's see if it worked out.
Protocol buffers or objects do.
It's about 2 minutes. Okay, looks good. Let's drag this into here. There is. Oh, brother. Don't get my hopes up like that. I know I'm trapped in a clown world. I'm in a simulation, and the simulation is in clown world mode. Proto buffs in. How long is this video?
Protocol buff.
A minute and 40 seconds. So how many seconds is that? 60 plus 47 is 107 seconds. Proto buffs in 107 seconds. Alright, almost there. What are proto buffs? Wait, how is this gonna look on the phone? Now that I think about it, what the fuck? I just realized this is not a vertical video. If you are liking to take on search of certain things and scroll within that search for a while, you recommend that you will change to that stuff. I don't even use this. I don't even like use this account though. So I gotta scroll through stuff. that I want the thing to change to. Like I haven't scrolled through anything at all yet, and it's like straight to bullshit. Which is kind of hilarious. What should I look up on TikTok to make my algorithm be better? Okay, but also, what do I do with the freaking vertical video? Can I play this? See what it looks like? Is there a play button? Is this
Protocol
it?
buffers or service sends a
It kinda
response back,
big.
and that request and response will be in the format of a protobuf. Now, JSON is also a very popular data serialization format.
Wow, it surprisingly looks not bad. I don't know what they did, but they converted it into a vertical video, and there isn't any clipping on the side somehow. Well, shit. Well done, TikTok. How did that happen? Fuck. Damn you, YouTube. Split into multiple parts to get more exposure? How do I do that? Well, how's that work? Split. Let me split this up. We're gonna release 2 videos. We'll split it like right here. How can I see it split? Play?
Protocol buffer. But JSON has it
Over here? Play? It's a little buggy. It looks
JSON
like.
is also a very popular data serialization format.
Okay, that looks good. So I split it. Now what? Is it split? I don't get it. Oh, this is the second video, I think. Let me see. Yeah. And this title doesn't make any sense anymore because Protobus versus JSON.
JSON is also a very popular data serialization format. But JSON
The first word got cut off in the beginning. How do I fix that? It's still a little scuffed, it looks like.
has its advantages and disadvantages.
Can I drag this? No? Brother. Okay. I might discard everything. Let me discard everything. Discard. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just going to split it up in here. It just makes more sense. It's just a lot better. So I'm gonna split it up right when it switches to JSON over here. Okay, let me see.
Protocol buffers,
Let me see. Like right
Format.
here.
but JSON has serialization format. Now,
Kinda like
JSON
it,
is
hold
also
up.
a very popular data serialization format. But JSON
That's not right. Upload, update.
protobuf. Now, JSON is also
This is not reflecting what is shown here.
to a server, and the server sends a response back, and that request and response will be in the format of a protobuf. So it should be here. Now JSON is also a very popular data. There we go. So this is it. This is a good chunk. Let me add this to protobuf. What are protobufs? And I created a poll, everyone. Be sure to vote before it ends. Poll? What's that? What's a poll? I mean, what's a poll about? I mean, what? You can create polls? Is this like on... Oh, I just added StreamCord to my Discord channel. I don't know if you use StreamCord, but it looks pretty neat. Twitch. Oh yeah, there's a pool, but it ended. Yes, daddy. Oh damn, dude. Huge rip. Will, tell me should this TikTok video do well? No comment. People don't want to be honest with me. I get it. I get it. Alright, let's try to export this. Let's add to render queue. Let's render this. This is a lot faster this time. This better be fast. I got a kick-ass graphics card. A new graphics card. I got GTX 4070. I mean RTX 4070. So it better blow shit like this out the water, or I'm gonna be pissed. You know what I'm saying? I want my money back. Post. Upload. Let's try this one. What are protobufs? Protobufs. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I got i5, I guess. Let me show you. Device for PC. How do you see that stuff again? Properties. Here we go. I got a 13th gen Intel R. I need like can I install what about DSH or MSI CPU? This thing. CPU ID. This thing tells me stuff about my computer, I think. Here we go. Kind of small. Intel Core i5. Yeah. Graphics is RTX 4070. Sweet. And I got like a bunch of cores, I guess. Doesn't tell me though. 65 watts. I should be able to like up the wattage, right? Because I got like, I can see the temperatures on this program, and they're all pretty low, I think. This is awesome because like on my other computer, everything was like chilling at like 60, between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius, and I was like, damn, dude. How is my other computer not roasted? Toasted, roasted, and done. But there's a pretty crazy CPU fan cooler on this PC. So whatever. Let's see, just upload this. What are protobufs? In how long is this video? Will it tell me?
Protocol buffer in the format of a protobuf.
Okay. I'm just going to go here. The video.
Protocol buffers, or protobufs for short, are a data.
The video is only 29 seconds and 29 seconds. All right, let's post this.
Going to lurk. Sounds good. Thank you for the lurk, Billionth. Thank you for stopping by. It's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Your videos are being uploaded to TikTok. Upload another video. Okay. We're gonna upload another one. I'm just chopping up my YouTube video and putting them in TikTok. So I want the second half now. Whoa. Stop's going so fast. Right here. Yeah. And right over here.
It's on
Like over here.
format.
Oh, right here.
It's also a very popular data serialization
A little choppy.
in the format of a protobuf.
So like right here.
Now JSON is also a very popular data serialization format. But JSON,
How do I move this? I gotta go down here. I don't like that.
now protobufs are language agnostic,
Whoa.
but you do need
Let me just. I want that part. I want.
have
this.
the tags like the JSON objects do. Now protobufs are
That's good. Okay. Let's do protobufs versus JSON. And add to render queue. And render. Alright. We're dumping stuff into TikTok. Did it upload? Okay, here it is. Very cool. My other videos are just me at TwitchCon. Is my TikTok link in my stream? I wonder. If I go to my channel. Go to channel. What do I got? Do I got TikTok here? I do. Okay. Oh, let me pause that. YouTube. Very nice. I need a better photo, I guess. What does my website go to? Oh, nice. And then Twitch. Nice. Oh, that goes to Twitter. Hilarious. Okay. That's funny. Okay. Put this up here. And I'm just gonna look at StreamCord. How does StreamCord work? I gotta look into how that works at some point. Add a streamer notification. Kick.com. Should I start streaming to Kick? I don't know. Stream. Is it done uploading? Or rendering? Okay, yeah, I think so. Protobufs versus JSON.
now JSON is also JSON objects do.
Okay, perfect. Let's drag this into the upload. And let's drag this into here. I was gonna look into Unity waifu stuff also. Yeah. Protobufs versus JSON. I gotta do stop using JSON. I gotta bait some people, you know? We gotta bait them. Use proto buffs instead. This'll this'll bait everybody. Post. We're gonna bait them hard. Hard and good. Hard and good. I'm gonna change my the noise suppression to this one. This one sounds a little bit better, I think. This one sounds like a lot better. Your videos are being uploaded. Okay. But the issue with this one is it uses my CPU. The other one uses my graphics card. So I think I got a banging graphics card, so I might just switch to my graphics card as much as possible. So we're back to this one. This one, it still sounds a little muffled though, but I think I can fix it with a I think I fix it with a filter. Like if I go here, right now I'm using NVIDIA noise removal, which is my GPU. And there's a compressor also. But what I can do is a 3-band equalizer, and I can add that. I can bump this up a little bit so it could be like, bam, a little bit less muffled. Hello? Now, okay. I think we're doing better. What if I do? Whoa, this is weird. What if I lower this down? Oh, that sounds pretty good too. And what if I lower that? Hello. That's really muffled. Hello. Hello. Okay, it actually sounds pretty good without the mids. The mids kind of make things sound weird. Like this. This is good. Yeah. Okay. Really nice. Before it was like this, but without that, we have this. Okay. Okay, cool. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Or I might put this up a little bit higher. How about like that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. There you go. Equalizer. Don't forget to EQ your stuff. And yeah. Here we go. Don't forget to watch my TikTok vids. I wish I can how do I link it? Link, share. Stop using JSON. I can't even do anything in here.
Now, JSON is also a very popular data.
Give me the vid. No link. No nothing. Go home. Content. No. Are you seriously right now? I can't even go to my post. TikTok, you piece of something. Let me go to my profile. Wow, this got actually quite. I already got 4 views. It's crazy. Let me copy this link. This already got 4 views for no reason. 29 seconds. Yeah. Oops. Let me go back. What happened to sometimes Power Toys just scuffs me out. I gotta restart it. The way I restart this is so dumb. I have to go here.
I have to just basically turn this off and then turn it back on, and then my hotkeys start working again for no reason. Okay. Here we go. I gotta fix my algorithm. I need to search something so it stops recommending me strawberry haircuts. Seriously? Why are you giving me videos with strawberries and haircuts? Yeah. Let me post this. How come? What the hell? This embed is sucks. Embed. I just want a link. Edit message.
Name, age, city is student and hobbies, as well as the quotation marks and the semicolons in the brackets. This is extra data that can be avoided if you are using protobufs. What this means is protobufs do not need to send the red text here, and instead they only need to send the white text across the network, saving you a lot of cost in terms of bandwidth.
Okay, I'm good. I'm satisfied about all this. The next thing I want to do is actually, I wanted to work on getting like converting Vroid Studio into Unity. There's got to be a way to do that. I'm gonna close this. Close that. I think I'm gonna try to do that and see what happens actually. So let me close this. We're gonna go back to the game later. But I wanna export something from Vroid Studio into Unity. So let's see if we can do that. And first thing you gotta do is I gotta open the Anime Waifu project, and then I gotta import the VRM package, and then I think I go to Vroid Studio next. So let me open Vroid Studio. Couple of steps. Also, I'm gonna mute myself because holy shit, this is giving me weird feelings listening to my voice. Giving me weird feelings, especially since the audio is delayed on my end. So I'm just gonna do monitor off on my end. Okay, cool. And stream seems fine, I think. Excellent. Oh, let me pause that. Okay. Did Vroid Studio open? Unity open? Okay. And we have this model because this is like the default model, so we're just gonna try to work with it. And I guess so I need to go to here and open this to get it into Unity. What if I just do this? No, that's not gonna work. Or package manager? What if I just do like, what if I just do this? Okay, that's not gonna work either. So I gotta open this in Unity. What version of Unity is this? This one? This one. What the hell? Why does it keep asking me this? Is this a virus? Oh my god, dude. What'd I download? How do I add this into my project? Let me see. Add package from disk. Downloads. No items match. Add package from disk? Why can't I add the Unity package? What the hell? Unity VRM. Where did I download that from? I went to Unity VRM. Uni VRM. This looks safe enough. Where I downloaded, I went like here. And what did I do? Via Unity package. VRM 1.0. Isn't that like the same thing? Yeah, literally the same file. Okay. Complete this. I wonder why Unity is not happy about this for some reason. Usually just lets me import those files. Doesn't let me. Let me just Google how to import Unity package. So I wonder. My schedule? Okay. Alright, looks good. Importing local asset packages. If you have a Unity package file saved locally because you create your own asset, or you can import it into your project through the assets menu. To import a local package in Unity, choose assets, import package. Okay, let's try that. Assets, import package, custom package, downloads. Boom! This looks like it's working. Damn, what the hell is all this stuff? Jeez. Okay. That's quite a bit. I'm gonna watch this video real quick. Revoid VM. Wait. It says the easiest way. Actually, the fastest way is to put a VRM file in Unity through Unity VRM, export it to FBX from Unity. What? So, like, I was gonna follow the video, but apparently this comment is fire, so I'm gonna listen to this comment instead and just ignore what the video said, because it seems like a lot simpler. The fastest way is to put a VRM file in Unity through Unity VRM and export it to FBX from Unity through native FBX exporter. This process will extract textures automatically. See, that's what I like to hear. Use the latest version. I just use the latest version when importing VRM file to Unity. It offers an option to extract materials and textures. Do it. Then after exporting FBX, you need to remap the extracted materials to the FBX file in the import settings, so that the FBX asset can have proper materials in Unity. It's very easy because the slots names match the materials names perfectly. That is the last part I'm having issues with Unity tutorial. Do we need the 2019 version of Unity, or does the newest one work for you? What if Unity 2021 will be alright? Okay, let's try this out. So let's. Oh, wait, I have an error. What's going on? Clear. Maybe not. Maybe we're good. Let me play. Let me just play, see what happens. And then I'm gonna export
Hello
this.
there. How
Oh,
can I
shit,
make your
sorry
day
about
even
that.
more adorable and exciting?
I'm sorry about that.
UWU.
The freaking waifu model talking. Sorry about that. I forgot it does that when you start the game. But it looks good. Sorry, I didn't mean to let my waifu speak. Okay. Let's export this. Export as VRM. Yeah. Let's do that. Reduce bones. I think we're just gonna leave it like that. Title. First waifu. Creator. Simul shift. Contact info. I don't need that shit. Version 101. Who can assign personalities to it? Anyone with explicit authorization? Do anyone? You gotta start work soon? Alright. Thanks for lurking, Billion. Yeah. Don't forget to watch my TikTok video. And if you guys don't know, I'm gonna give a shout out to Billions before he goes out. Billions is my man. Shout out. How do you shout out again? Shout out Billions. He does cool video game stuff. He hangs out with the hottest dudes. Eats at the chillest restaurants. I really recommend hitting up Billions channel. Give me a nice little follow. Alright. Redistribution prohibited. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Only the creator, I guess. Additional. I don't know what any of these settings are. Let's just export. Let's get that VRM file. Vroid, yeah, first waifu, sounds good. Oh, I guess the Primogen's doing the Vim conference right now. That's kind of cool. But I don't really use Vim. I use JetBrains stuffs. Okay, looks like we exported. Let me close this. Let's look at the folder stuffs. Folder. Whoa. Well. Chill. My computer needs to chill, and I just yell chill at it. Secondary. I think the Vroid folder is in here. If not, that's a mistake. Oh, it's in here? Okay, that's fine. First waifu VRM. Okay, interesting. So I guess, because I have this, import from GLTF. VRM, export VRM, experimental. Import from GLTF? So there has to be a way to import VRM, I guess. What was that comment saying? It says fastest way is to put a VRM file in Unity through UniVRM. So I should be able to import it. GLTF. Should I export GLTF instead? What are my options anyway? I go back. Can I quit? Whoa. Supposed to export for 3D printing. All you have is the VRM option. Looks like. So what do I do then? Do I just drag this into here? I can't do that. I can't do that. VRM file assets. Okay, maybe I should go to the GitHub and see if there's like instructions on here. Import VRM. No. You can import supported file types at both runtime and editor. Support for migration VRM files into VRM 1.0 files. What's that? Support for scripted importer for VRM and GLTF. You can import GLTF as VR materials. You can export supported file types above the runtime. You can export built-in RSP into standard. The latest Uni VRM supports Uni 2021.3 or later. Okay, that's exactly the version I'm on. Okay, I mean, it sounds like it can import VRM without any issues. What did Vroid Studio import? Export, I mean, like what version of VRM? It doesn't even say. That's crazy. Maybe if I just show more options and look at the properties. I don't think it's gonna tell me either, huh? Details, VRM file. Yeah, I didn't say anything. Okay, well then. Let me Google something. Does Vroid export to VRM1? Thank you for using Vroid. We added model export feature to the new version VRM 1.0 in addition to the export feature for the original version VRMO 0. VMRO original. So, okay, so I'm guessing this is VRM1 then. It's okay. Okay. So how do I still gotta figure out how to import then. VRM export. No. File open. Is there a window for this thing? This is an exporter. English. I'm trying to import. This isn't gonna let me do anything. I wonder. Maybe this will work. Let's see. Nope. Export mesh utility. Mesh processing wizard. Component VRM. Oh my gosh, come on. There's gotta be something. Import something. Import package, import new asset. Okay. Let's try this. Yeah. Did it work? How to import VRM Unity. Did I do this right? Let me see. VRM shaders. First waifu. VRM. Okay,
Materials. Whoa, there's a lot of materials here. Model. Can I click on it? Scene. Okay, maybe I need a YouTube video to help me out. I hope there's a YouTube video. Import VRM to Unity. How to convert and upload VRM files into Unity. Let me check this one out.
Download and install will be good. You can go ahead and double click it.
I'm gonna skip all that.
This isn't a Unity tutorial, but really quickly you have your viewport here and all the information that your model is carrying for all the materials, all the meshes and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to organize it in a folder. You're going to go ahead and press save because it's going to save within a predestined directory that applies to your project. You're not really going to want to change anything except maybe the title here. It's literally just going to be a collection of files that pertain to your model. So I would leave it as their name or whatever you're doing. I added links to this model, holding middle mouse down and moving full model. We're going to drag her name right into this little box to go ahead and options up here for package. You're going to, don't be like, and then in order to import your package, you're going to want to press plus. That's going to add all our little, have some new options up here at the very top. So what we're going to do, if you'll notice, you'll see VRM0 here. This new tool is what we're going to go ahead and use in order to import our model.
Oh shit, I'm missing that.
To import from VRM, you're going to find your character. You're going to see a window pop up and it's going to ask you about saving a prefab. So that's basically going to make little folders for all the information. Basically going to make saving a prefab. So you're going to see a window.
I don't have that option. No wonder I can't figure it out.
If you'll notice, you'll see VRM0 here. This new tool is what we're going to go ahead and use in order to import our model. We're going to go to import from VRM. You're going to find your...
Oh my gosh, what happened? I got scammed. Export VRM. Yeah. Let me hold up. I'm confused. Import VRM Unity. Let me see something. Maybe there's the documentation in here. Here we go. How to make a VRM, import VRM into viewer. VRM viewers can be found here. Oh shit, this is definitely Japanese. Anyone speak Japanese? Viewer hub, crypto avatars. From the program. VRM. Let me do Unity VRM 1.0. In the 3D avatar format, file format announced in 2018 is a standard that fixes problems and errors that are found as the use progresses and as functions are considered to be necessary in the future. Traditional VRMs will be classified as VRM 0.x and deprecated in the future. VRM 1.0 will become the formal standard in the future. VRM has been released in September 2022. Implementation. Unity's implementation, UniVRM, exists as an official implementation. It exists as an official... What? Go to English. UniVRM is a Unity library that implements the VRM standard. Allows you to generate and read VRM files from Unity. We'll explain how to use UniVRM to handle VRM files with the VRM 1.0 standard. Okay, hold up. How do I know if I have a VRM 1.0 file? That's the main question I'm having. Does Vroid export to VRM?
I don't even have the option to export as the olds. What the heck? Is the old one? It just says VRM file, which kind of sucks. Uh-oh. Asset extracted component. Load VRM 1.0 file. This is a work in progress. So that's a work in progress, looks like. Okay, let me forget about all this stuff, and I am just going to, I think I'm gonna get a different version of this package. Supported file types. Installation download here. I need this one. Okay, let me delete this. And let me make sure I download it. Is it the same name? Open new tab. Okay, different name. Which one's which? Damn. UniVRM. Oh. This one is UniVRM and this one is just VRM. VRM import export. VRM 0.0 import export. Okay. Let me go to assets. Let me import custom package. Let me go downloads. Let's do. This is the one. Let me see. UniVR and get that one. It says import export for VRM 1.0, but I think that's a lie. Because I don't see that option. All? Okay. Import. Now I have an import option. So now I can go to here. I can go to here and I can upload this. And then it's like me say my prefab, sounds fine. Let me go to, let me just make a new folder. I'm gonna call this Droid. Or I'll just call it prefabs. Prefabs. Save. Alright, let's see what happened. Do we have a prefab here? Looks like we do. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, that's pretty amazing. Holy shit. It worked. And I have like... Wow. This saves so much time. That's awesome. Like, do you know how hard it is to make a model like this in Blender? You're gonna be spending days and days figuring shit out, and all I gotta do is import it from VRoid Studio. That's freaking dumb, but that's awesome. Okay, and it has all the bone architecture also, which is crazy, and it has facial architecture apparently. And it has facial architecture apparently. That's so dumb. I wonder if the import UniVRM supports Unity 2021.tlt as of later. Okay, fine. I wonder. I'm pretty sure. I don't know if I did this one right. Maybe I need to upgrade my version of Unity. Let me do VRM 1.0 import UniVRM. I want to see if other people are able to do something like this, because also the lighting is kind of bad in my room. I need a light. Damn. Okay. Maybe I just go on Amazon. Import VRM import documentation. Is there documentation? What's this? Import VRM file. Drag and drop the VRM file into the assets folder. The prefab file associated with the VRM file can be automatically generated. No, dude. Really? That didn't happen. Wait, what? Custom settings VRM. UniVRM. Is this for 1.0? I don't think so. I don't think it's possible yet. It's hard because everything is in Japanese. Okay. Is there a way I can like get in contact with this guy? I gotta tell him that this is scuffed right here. Okay. Let me just keep watching the video.
You're going to see a window pop up and it's going to ask you about saving a prefab. So that's basically going to make little folders for all the information that your model is carrying, for all the materials.
Wait, what's this? The textures for old beta models sometimes need tweaking to make it seamless on a 1.0 model because they changed the mesh a little. If you have 1.0 but bought 0.x npm stuff. The shader is supposed to be an improvement, but it's kind of a complete mess in Blender when you inevitably go work over there. So people even export 1.0 model from VRoid Studio, and end up converting it back to 0.x in Blender often. The 1.0 models are sometimes less compatible with people's favorite VTubing software because it's just newer. I haven't checked in. The 1.0 models are also, as a result, not compatible with a lot of Japanese software that you can use from booth websites because they're slow at updates. LOL. These things can update her. Thanks for the information. Interesting. Okay, that's real. That's all. That stuff is all really interesting. Also, this is all good stuff to know. That. Yeah. This stuff. Go to English. What files of the VRM standard? Let's try. I think I need to read this. About migrating Unity VRM based applications to VRM 1.0. Oh shit, this is gonna be in Japanese, isn't it? Shit, dude, does anyone have anyone know English?
もし聞こえなかったりしたら教えてください。はい、ありがとうございます。 それではですね、本当に、VRM1.0 非常に時間がかかってしまいました。どんなところが変わったのかといったところを、順に説明していきたいと思いますが、本日の流れで
Nice, we got
まず
translation.
はおさらいも兼ねまして、VRM とはという本当に根本的なところから、説明をさせていただきます。で、そして、次に VRM1.0 で何が変わったか。次に、試しに VRM
This video is an hour
それ
long.
をセットアップしてみようということで、VRM1.0 でセットアップするにはどういう手順でやっていくのかというのを順に説明していきます。そして、VR
Let me skip to
の
this
設
part.
定を各ファイルに分けて保存するため、扱うファイルが結構多くなります。エクスポートすると VRM のファイル1つになるんですが、作業中は結構扱うファイルが多くなるので、作業用の専用のフォルダを作っておいた方が良いです。で、ここに FBX をインポートします。はい。で、FBX、読み込みますと、こんな感じですね。ちょっとマテリアルとか剥がれてますけれども、この辺りは、後ほど設定していきます。まず最初に設定するのは、このアニメーションタイプですね。普通に読み込むとおそらくジェネリックになっていると思いますので、これをヒューマノイドにします。一旦ここでアプライをします。この辺りはマテリアルをしています。この画像でいう左側の、姿勢ではなくて右側
When importing VRM file into editor, is that what happened? Let me see. I don't see any of that stuff. This is a work in progress still. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stick to with 0 point something.
Meshes and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to organize it in a folder. You're going to go ahead and press save because it's going to save within a predestined directory that applies to your project. You're not really going to want to change anything except maybe the title here. It's literally just going to be a collection of files that pertain to your model. So I would leave it as their name or whatever you're doing. I added wings to this model, so that's why it says Lilith Wings. And then I'm going to go ahead and press save. It's going to create all those folders and it's going to add them here on the side. And you'll see some more of those, all those little folders that apply to our model and our model down below it within the asset window. You'll see these here and here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click and drag our model into our viewport. So you can go ahead and scroll with the middle mouse wheel. You can pan with holding middle mouse down and moving side to side, up and down.
Create a new scene.
And then if you right click and hold drag, you have the rotate orthographic view just for reference. But now I have my model in here. So now I've messed around with her. I've changed some things. I'm completely happy with my model and I'm ready to go ahead and import it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our VRM tab. We're going to go to export to VRM. We're going to look over here because now we have this little section that says export route. We're going to take our full model. We're going to drag her name right into this little box.
Okay. Export.
And you'll see it pop up like this. If you have a little warning sign here, let me take this version out. So you may have this right here and it may say required.
Hold up, I gotta get some water. I'll be right back. Just give me a second, guys. I'm playing ad 2 while I'm gone.
got me some waters. We should be in the good. Let's keep watching.
Prior version, you would go here and put a version. Once everything is, all the red signs are gone and it's not yelling at you anymore, you're gonna want to put a title for your model and who made it. And then everything else you can kind of leave. Let's say you had your model and she was posed somewhere different. You need to make a T-pose to export it out. You would do this, it would reset it to the T-pose. But other than that, you're just going to really put the title, your author, and the version and press export. It's gonna take you, you're gonna save it where you want it to go. You decide where you want it to go, you're going to press save, and it is going to go ahead and export. And that is it. You can see that was very short, very easy. Shouldn't be too difficult to go ahead and get your model into the program.
I need some tips. Should I be using URP?
I've got home internet from T-Mobile. It only costs $50 at T-Mobile. Just one
URP
call
shader?
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your Phuroid model to Unity. For the sake
Okay.
of clarity, I would assume that you've never installed or opened Unity before.
Oh my god, let's skip all that.
Assuming you have WinRAR, right-click
WinRAR?
to extract the zip file.
What are you getting?
This is to just download my project on GitHub as zip file. With Unity now properly installed, the fastest way to quickly install the plugins is to just download my project on GitHub as zip files. Assuming you have WinRAR, right-click to URP shaders. First of all, we need to create our Unity hub. We can either choose a standard 3D project or a URP project, depending on our needs. Wait until the project has been fully loaded. If you use the URP project, we're going to download the latest version of the URP shader plugin by going to this page and click this text under the releases section.
Shader.
Click on the Unity package file to download it. Take note of the UniVRM version listed here. It's going to be important. Next, let's download the latest UniVRM plugin. Take note of the UniVRM version listed here. It's going to be important. Take note of the
Or
UniVRM version
UniVRM.
listed here.
01 point. Huh.
It's going to be important. Next, package file to download it.
Okay.
Take note of the UniVRM version listed here.
Okay, yeah.
Next, let's download the latest UniVRM plugin. Once again, click on this text under the releases section.
Which one did I get?
Scroll down until we find these. We can
I got .115. This is way newer. So this is like outdated.
either choose UniVRM plugin for models made by Phuroid Studio version 1.0 or the older beta version. For the URP project, if the UniVRM version doesn't match with the shader plugin earlier, click on the releases section on top of the page and scroll down to find the matching version. Back in Unity, we can install the UniVRM plugin by right-clicking the Assets folder, choose Import Package, and click Custom Package. Import. And next, if you're okay with the color space, it is a little bit off in this project. So let's open the Directional Light object, adjust its color to pure white, and set its intensity to 0.6. You can modify it further if you want. For the URP project, now it's the time to install the URP shader. Suddenly, our VRM file turns into a 3D model. While you're here,
I have no idea what's happening there.
We're gonna open up Unity, do a new project. 3D. Uni VRM 0.353.
I think the issue is
So I just dragged and dropped that right over here in the assets. So I'm just gonna import.
there's a lot of references missing.
Various versions have different errors. I do not know the answers to those errors. I am sorry. You're gonna have to ask the person who created the Uni VRM. Now
You know
click
what?
Uni
It
VRM
looks
and
fine.
then VRM import. And that's it.
The only thing it gives VRM look at head script. Target head. Oh, that's the end of
the
the video?
Uni VRM. That's it. That's what we can model in.
Okay, that was dumb. Well, anyways. There's not that much. Wait, how do I export a video into Unity in 7 minutes? I don't want to use URP. Okay, hold up. Viewer export VX plugin. Should I convert? Oh, we got a prefab already. So if we can work with the prefab directly, we are in the clear. How to convert and upload VRM files. I'm gonna check out this video just real quick.
Guy on here. Press import from VRMX. That's the one you want. You're over
Okay.
here. You go to where you have your VRM. I'll just put like a random one in here. Let's see. Do that one, I think, is the one I have, and just click save on that one. I wouldn't mess with the file location of that, just because I've had issues with it before. Right. So it should show up here in a second where your VRM is. If I did mine wrong. I think I did mine totally wrong. I did, oh yeah, that is not the right one. Hold on, let me fix this. Alright, it should have that thing right here. If you see a picture of mail, like the name of your VRM, it should have a picture of it posing. You
Okay.
did it right. What you want to do is go on a VRM 0. You want to duplicate and revert for VRChat. And then you'll have to wait a little bit for that. You see this up here, don't mess with any of that. Press duplicate. And then press save. And it should take a minute to show up. So I'll meet you there when it's done. Alright, it was really quick. Okay, so you should see your VRM guy on here. So that should be them. You can do a lot of things with it. You can change some of the settings stuff with it. If you go to inspect and make sure that's clicked. Especially what you want to look out for when you're doing some of these models is that you want to see the ball that's inside of this head that's over here.
Is there an animator?
And the best
No
way
controller.
to move around the scene is you hold your middle button. You hold the wheel button down.
I need
that
a
little ball right
controller.
here that I'm pointing at. That's the camera. If there's something wrong, you can always change the Z coordinate, which is the up, and you can kind of put like 0.045 to kind of
I'm gonna copy
make
this.
it a little bit closer to like outside of the map.
Actually, I'm gonna copy all of these.
Probably don't have to do this. You probably don't have to do this at all. I like to have it up like that, like 0.055, just to have it inside, like a little bit outside of the mesh, just in case.
I'm gonna do.
But yeah, everything else,
animation.
the only thing that you really need to do,
Animator.
honestly, you can leave everything else alone. You don't need to do any of that. The expression wheel is probably the one that you want the most. You want to click on that little button right here,
Nice.
and you probably
Okay.
want to make sure that you have the right expression wheel on here, so you can do all the cool stuff like that. Little toggles and stuff, like the wave can be a toggle instead of a button. Or stuff. So you can do all that. You can kind of customize it. It's like playing The Sims. It really
Controller.
is. After you've got all this done and it's right here,
This one.
all you have to do now is just go to the
I should just rename it.
ECK,
Because it's kind of
control
confusing.
panel.
So let's do
you want to click
First
Build
waifu.
Public for Windows.
animator.
and it should load here in a second.
Okay, and then
That should have been.
what was he doing?
You can leave everything else alone. At all.
Let me see what he changed.
Make there's something wrong with your middle button. You hold the wheel button down. That little ball right here,
I'm gonna play
right
Roll
here
Man
that I'm
real
pointing
quick.
at, that's the camera. If there's something wrong, you can always change the Z coordinate, which is the up, and you can kind of put like 0.045 to kind of make it a little bit closer to like outside of the mesh. You probably don't have to do this. Probably don't have to do this at all. I like to have it up like that, like 0.055, just to have it inside, like a little bit outside of the mesh, just in case. To kind of make it a little bit closer to like outside of the mesh. You probably don't have to do this. That little ball right here, a lot of things with it. You can change some of the settings stuff with it if you go to inspect and make sure that's clicked. Especially what you want to look out for when you're doing some of these models is that you want to see the ball that's inside of this head that's over here. The best way to move around the scene is you hold your middle button. You hold the wheel button down. That little ball right here that I'm pointing at, that's the camera. If there's something wrong, you can always change the Z coordinate, which is the up, and you can kind of put like 0.045 to kind of make it a little bit closer to like outside of the mesh. You probably don't have to do this. Probably don't have to do this at all. I like to have it up like that, like 0.055, just to have it inside, like a little bit outside of the mesh, just in case. But yeah, everything else, the only thing that you really need to do, honestly, you can leave everything else alone. You don't need to do any of that. The expression wheel is probably the one that you want the most. You want to click on that little button right here, and you probably want to make sure that you have the right expression wheel on here, so you can do all the cool stuff like that. And these are like little toggles and stuff, like the wave can be a toggle instead of a button, all that stuff.
Where is this?
You can do all the cool. You can leave everything else alone. You don't need to do any of that. The expression wheel is probably the one that you want the most. You want to click on that little button right here.
Expression
you
wheel.
probably want to make sure that you have the right expression wheel on here, so you can do all the cool stuff like that. And these are like little toggles and stuff, like the wave can be a toggle instead of a button.
Is this different than animation?
So you can do all that. You can kind of customize it. It's like
we have a bunch of scripts on here, and what is that expression wheel that he was looking at? Let me see. He clicked on. He's just inspecting it, and he's so I guess he has like a different prefab because he has like a VR chat version thing. Should I don't know if I need mine to convert mine to a VR chat prefab to get that functionality. Maybe I should. If I convert it to a VR chat prefab and it gives me all those expression options, even if I'm not using VR chat.
All you have to do now is just go to the ECK stroke control panel.
Control panel.
You want to click build and publish for Windows.
In order for other people to see Avatar in VR chat.
And it should load here in a second. So give it a minute. That should have been the most longest 10 seconds of your life. When you get to this and it starts loading everything and it's like to this point, what you want to do is pretty much done after this. It's just like here, up like that, and around the scene button, right camera, something, and you can kind of put
VRC avatar descriptor. I don't have that on here. VRM looking ahead. VRM humanoid description. What else? What options do I have here? Load spring bone from JSON. I don't have that many options in here. That's interesting. Okay. Here, I think. Oh, I have a description. This is that stuff. Avatar description. I'm still learning about animations in Unity. I usually do the programming side of things, so this is kind of all new to me. I'm learning a lot right now. So if you're wondering why I may look confused, that's probably why. But also, I'm trying to get around not having to create these models in Blender by doing something a little hacky, aka importing from VRoid Studio, which is like 20,000 times easier. Okay, I want to see if this animator actually works. Okay, this animator is kind of crazy, but I mean, it should work, I guess. Like, hold up, let me just play. Oh, she's way over there. Let me fix that. I'm gonna go to the scene and I'm going to rotate, or maybe I'll just rotate the camera. Position 0, so I think the camera is just better to rotate the camera. So let me move this forward and then rotate tool. So this is I think I can just switch pretty easily. Okay, cool. Like that. Very cool. There we go. Go back to this one. A little bit higher. Okay, cool. Now let's play. Oh, still a little low. What the heck? Why is that happening? Is it because my view, the view here is like free aspect? Oh, that doesn't make sense. Hold up. Why is the view like that? Clearly it should have the everything. If I draw that, something moving the camera? Oh, she's just falling down? What the heck happened to her face? She needs to stand on something? Okay, let's add a plane on into the scene then. Let's do plane. Okay. And let's try that. There we go. Now she's standing on something. Let me fix the camera now. The camera looks fine. I guess she falls onto the plane. Oh, she like crashes into it. Is she? Why is she going through it? Let's see. This is supposed to be. This has a mesh collider. So is cooking options. Let him cook. So maybe the waifu doesn't have a collider. So I gotta add one. Let's add a collider. Let's do a mesh collider. Actually, I don't know about that. I don't have a mesh for that. Let's do a capsule collider. And let's just do 2, 3, and why is the waifu like off weirdly? Okay, I'm just going to put this up a little bit more. Maybe 1. Okay, cool. Maybe 2 is a little bit too big. There we go. Now she shouldn't fall into the ground. She's still freaking falling into the ground. Let me see what's going on. Capsule Collider is staying. She's going. For some reason, the body. Secondary. She should, whoa. She should be up here. Can I move her? No, she's not letting me move her. I move this up. Oh, there she goes. 1. So that does move her. But she's not locked to the collider for some reason. Okay, let me... Pretty sure. Let me give her starting position up here and see what happens. I'm in play. Does she still go through the freaking floor? Oh no, she doesn't. She's kind of like... Is the animator doing stuff? The animator is doing stuff. What happened to her face? Huh. Okay, what if I make her like move or something or jump? Let me try. Make transition. Game. Whoops. I mean, jump to state. Will she move? I don't think she's gonna do anything. Okay, she's not doing anything. There's something scuffed. Something scuffed. VRM, look at ahead. Link. Click left. Animator. Apply root motion. Update mode. Old animate. There's a bunch of shaders on here. Make her go back down here. And let's play again. Her face is normal. She falls downwards for some reason. I wonder if that has to do with an animator doing stuff to it. I can't really adjust any parameters either. Neutral. That kind of moves. Nice. Oh, thanks for the rip, Billion. Back, work is quiet. Okay. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Thanks for the rip. I can make her angry? Does that look angry? Fun? Slightly smile? Joy? Aw. That's cute. Oh. I forgot to ask how's the Japanese lessons. They're going all right. Arigato. Konnichiwa. Genki desu ka? I'll probably work in Japan for a few months. We'll see if I can somehow move there and if I get like a good job over there, maybe. But my company is gonna let me work in Japan for a few months, for like 3 months, if I want to. Cause they got an office in Japan, so I can like move down there and work in the Japan office. So that might be cool. That might be a little fun. Look down, look left. Will that work? I guess that doesn't even work. Look right. Yeah, some of this just doesn't even work. That works. I still need to figure out how to do stuff. Let's see. I wonder why she's falling down into the floor. What are those little thingy rings? Maybe, is it the animator doing this? I'm gonna have to temporarily remove the animator from here. Let's do none. Let's do none. And then let's play. I heard the Japanese work ethic is very extreme. Could you work for the US office and from Japan? I won't be able to work from the US office from Japan. Because the Japanese government won't let you stay longer than 3 months if you're not working through Japan office or company. So you can't work from a US company in Japan for longer than 3 months basically before they kick you out. But you can just like, I don't know, leave and come back, I guess. I guess the animator was the issue, because now she isn't falling down into nothing. Look left. This still doesn't work. So I guess the animator is a wrong animator. About to figure out how to fix that. Yeah. Yeah, the work ethic in Japan is, I mean, like, to me, it's not too big of a deal, like the work ethic, because I basically work all day anyway, doing stuff. I mean, yeah, I think, like, I think it'll be fine for me. I mean, I don't have trouble working all the time, because I just do that by accident. Like, there are Japanese people who are like, damn, dude, you work even more than we do. And I'm like, really? Like, why do you work so much? I'm like, that's just my thing. I do it. I'm doing it all day. Oh, hell yeah. There would be Japan IRL streams all the time. I'm going to be hanging out with the deer in
What is it, dear at? What was it? I forgot. Like Nagata or something? They hang out somewhere. But I should figure out what's wrong with the animation here. It's like... Oh, Nara. That's what it was called. Anyways. Yeah, my animator is not working correctly. What's this? Check the new VRM version? What's this? I am using the new VRM version. What are you talking about? You can install UniVRM. Via UPN package. I still don't understand that. I don't understand. I installed that and it says you can import VRM 1.0 files, but it just didn't work, so I had to use this one, the older one. So yeah, I don't know what to say about that. Tutorial video. Okay. I'm gonna just delete all of this. Getting started with Vroid. So I really want you to figure out how to animate this person. Also, how come the gravity isn't working on her? Gravity. How do I turn on the gravity? Let me see. Let me ask ChatGPT. How do I turn on gravity? Oh my gosh. Well, that was the wrong question. I should have said in Unity. How do I turn on gravity in Unity? Unity said we don't turn on gravity. Rigid body component. Can I use a capsule collider? Or do I need a rigid body? The collider also low won't be able to enable gravity for an object. Here's how it works. Okay, I need a rigid body. There we go. Now she fell down. That's good. Use gravity. Sounds good. But I need to add it onto here. Rigid body. So I don't really need a capsule collider, I guess. So let's see what that does. And then eventually I need to fix it. Whoa! She fell down. So you do need a capsule collider. she just yeeted out of the situation. What? Why is the capsule collider still turned off? Let me see. Turn it back on. Okay, the capsule collider makes a big difference. Because she needs that to collide with the floor. Okay, cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. Look up. That doesn't work. Surprise. That works. Okay. What else can I do here? Body. So I need a root. I need an animator for this stuff. Because the one I got seems scuffed. Whoa, she fell. And let me see. If I try to make her run,
It doesn't really move. So that tells me that it's not connecting to the animator properly. So I need to figure out how to connect. Let me just go to a new question. I am reusing an animator from a different prefab onto a new different one, but it doesn't seem to be animating the new prefab. How can I connect things properly? Okay, resume using anime from one PL on different PL on your Unity to ensure that everything's set up correctly. Transitions and parameters, reassign animator, ensure animation clips exist, check animation events and parameters, layer mask settings, prefab variants, testing, debugging. I did add it, and on the animator, okay, I gotta do some few things here. Let's see, default motion. The main object name should match the asset file name. Okay. Dump. Okay, this animation stuff. Alrighty then. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's do that. I have to reconnect some things. Let's go to the one I copied so I don't mess up the original one. So we got this one, and then for the walk, we gotta go to this one. Wind pose. Let's do FBX. I wonder what that one is. They all have like an FBX file associated with it. I wonder if that's something I should pay attention to. Also, this doesn't look like I have anything in it. That doesn't seem right. Did I go to idle? Wait. Let me go to idle. Maybe that's an issue there too. Fix object name. This is supposed to be this one. And let me double click on it. There's like nothing in here. Dang, okay. Speed. If I change this to this one, does it have stuff in it? It doesn't. No animatable objects selected. Maybe I should also. I'm going to import all this stuff. Ooh. Automatically. Ooh, okay. Actually, I better get some food too. Dang it. Okay. Let's see. What am I gonna do here? I got 2. Did I change this script? Get diff. I guess I did. This is good. Okay, and then all this stuff is new. That's good. Let me just importing URM uni VRM. That was a lot of warnings. Okay. Alright, while that's importing, I'm gonna go ahead and rate somebody. Because I better get to work now. Time for work. Figure this out later. But yeah, let's go to Twitch and see who we raid. New Vim conference.
God of War looks so good.
Let's see. Let's go to software game development. I guess we can raid the New Vim conference. I don't know. There's a lot of people there. Femboy Friday. Alrighty then. +450 hours stream. What the hell? UI UX designer. All right, let's just raid Team Vash, shall we? Team Vash, she's doing game dev. I like it. So yeah, let's start this raid. Raid channel. Do Team Vash. Start raid. All right. Thank you guys for coming to the stream. This is the Simul Shade. Alright, cheers my friends.
Hey, Samuel, thank you for the raid. How was your stream today? I'm slowly waking up. How to import V-Roid models into Unity. Okay, I don't know what that is. It's a V-Roid model. Like a VTuber? Or something else. It's like anime 3D models. Oh, okay, cool. Nice. I'm working on reading a book called Domain Driven Design today. You can't make those. Fair enough, Sandra is hard. Is this for your grade? You want to see if we can get them animated and then we can add them together. Ah, I see. Cool.
So, yeah, I read the first 2 chapters and I found it to be a lot of fluff.